friends, it's that time of year again. It is time to identify and celebrate women in restoration. I'm thrilled to share that we're officially accepting nominations for R&R's 2022 Women in Restoration Award. Please visit randrmagonline.com/women in restoration to learn more about the award and to submit nominations for leading women in restoration. The deadline for nominations is Monday, January 10th, 2022. I'm also excited to announce a new Restoration Industry Award program we're launching, so stay tuned through the end of this message for details on that. But back to the Women in Restoration Award. This annual award, established in 2016, recognizes leading women in all positions within the restoration industry. Since its inception, more than 250 women have been nominated, and we absolutely intend to keep building on that impressive momentum. Of course, it's no secret that the restoration industry is male-dominated, as is the construction industry overall, in addition to several other trades. While women make up 47% of the entire U.S. labor force, they comprise just 10.9% of the construction workforce. That's according to 2022 data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. It is our hope that by shining a spotlight on outstanding women in restoration, we can help encourage and empower more women to join this great industry and advance within it. After all, staffing is the top challenge for restorers, according to R&R's 2021 State of the Industry report. In addition, more gender-diverse companies, executive teams in particular, are more likely to have above-average profitability. That's according to 2020 research by McKinsey. For those reasons and so many more, R&R is honored to formally celebrate women making strides within their organizations and restoration overall for the 7th consecutive year. Now let's talk eligibility. Women must have at least 10 years of experience in the restoration industry. Women can nominate themselves and/or be nominated by a colleague. Women from any position in the restoration industry can be nominated. Past runners-up for the award may enter again. Past winners of the award are not eligible. As always, the winner and runners-up will be determined by a panel of industry peers based on the following 6 criteria: thoroughness of entry, supporting documentation like images, references, and other things that strengthen their nominations, journey and experience in the industry, growth and future reach, worthiness of recognition, and industry awards and certifications. The winner and runners-up will be notified in late January 2022 and should be available for interviews in early February. The award will be presented at the Restoration Industry Association's International Restoration Convention and Industry Expo, taking place April 11th through 13th, 2022 in Reno, Nevada. The winner and runners-up will also be featured in the April 2022 issue of R&R. Now, I promised I would share a new award, so here goes. While we're on the topic of awards, I am very excited to announce that R&R is launching an award recognizing outstanding restoration technicians. We're in the early stages of bringing this new initiative to life, but we wanted you to know to be on the lookout for more and to welcome your input as we move forward. In my very short time with the industry, I've heard it voiced again and again that technicians are the unsung frontline heroes tasked with the grueling work this great industry prides itself on. I've also heard that in the war for talent that restoration companies find themselves in, technicians are among the hardest to recruit and retain. So, in the spirit of helping build a strong, sustainable pipeline of restoration professionals for generations to come, we are eager at R&R through this new award to celebrate restoration technicians and to give them the industry-wide visibility they deserve for the very hard and noble work they do. We're working toward an official launch of the award in 2022, so please stay tuned for more, and please send your thoughts my way in the meantime. kingb@bnpmedia.com. I want to be sure also to highlight that this will mark R&R's 3rd annual award program. So in addition to the Women in Restoration Award and to be named Restoration Technician Award, please keep your eyes and ears open for nominations to open for the 3rd annual Ladder Award, in mid-2022. This award honors outstanding young leaders in restoration who are 35 years and younger. In closing, please do not forget to nominate a deserving woman or women in the restoration industry on or by January 10th, 2022 for the 2022 Women in Restoration Award. Again, go to rnrmagonline.com/women in restoration for the nomination form and for more details. And please don't hesitate to reach out to me at kingb@bnpmedia.com with questions. Thanks for watching and listening as always. See you next time.